wind in your hair, the sun in your face, the steering wheel in your hands. Ah! Ah! Easy, girl. Easy now. Don't give up the ghost just yet. It's my lucky day. Used cars and Bolorama, next exit. Oh, just in time. Oh boy! I need a new car, but where am I gonna get $500 bucks? Whoa! If I could beat the Bolorama champ, I could bag myself a swell new set of wheels with the winnings. Ooh. Dead as a doornail. And in the no parking zone, too. Oh well, I'll only be a minute.
And what's more, I'm tired of being your lackey. Why, I lie for you, I cheat for you, wash your garments a lot. Why should I have to do your dirty work?
Because I'm a buzzard, which gives me the right to boss little boys like you around. That's why.
Where do I sign up to beat the champ?
Why, right here, my good sap. I mean, sir. Of course, there is a nominal entrance fee of $5 that entitles you a chance to beat me, the champ.
Aw, shoot. I seem to be a tad short. Do you suppose I might use my fine automobile as an entrance fee?
Buddy, you got yourself a contest.
Ha! Too bad. You left a 7-10 split. You'll never get that. What? That's impossible!
But not improbable. Oh, look! The space shuttle!
Where? I don't see the space shuttle. Huh? Say, what kind of an alley is this? That was a perfect shot.
Perhaps you need corrective lenses. Ho-ho! Strike!
I don't need glasses to see what I'm seeing. I think there's some cheating going on. What?
Now that's a split. Ooh, you're not doing so good. Chalk me down for another strike.
Hey!
Oh, perchance another strike? Oh my! Am I losing my touch? No, it's another strike. Strike, strike. Last frame, old pal. Your ball, Mr. Woodpecker. Strike, but too late, pal. Buzz Buzzard is still champion. And that four-wheeled beauty out front is all mine. Come on, Tweaky. You and me are off like 30 pounds on a grapefruit diet.
Holy $1,000 reward. Larceny, robbery, unlawful toenail clips. Why, that no-good thief and cheat. Hello, operator. Get me the police. That's right, officer. The Buzz Buzzard. He's here, at the bowling alley.
Uh-huh. Yeah, Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But, officer, he's wanted for cussing.
Uh-huh. Yeah,
For littering, for jaywalking, for bouncing checks, for petty larceny, fraud, for bank robbery.
Yeah, well, that's really swell, pal, but we're pretty busy here with serious cases right now, and,
But, officer, he's parked in a red zone.
It's not how it looks.
Step out of the vehicle, sir.
It's not my fault. I was just...
Maybe I didn't make myself clear. I said, step out of the vehicle! You have the right to shut your big yap. If you waive your right to shut your big yap, it may be shut for you.
So long. Thanks for the